Welcome to XSwap Protocol. In this video, I'm going to show you how to exercise your right to vote in governance. And I'm using the Descent wallet. So click on your Descent icon, enter the password, and from the bottom second left corner, click on Discoveries and enter gov.xspswap.finance, gov.xspswap.finance. Once you are in XSwap Protocol's governance platform, click on Connect Wallet. It is the icon on the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Choose Wallet Connect and go to the second page and click on Descent. Once your wallet is connected, you can now choose the proposal that you want to vote for. In this example, I chose Rebrand, then I click on Vote. On the next screen, I click on I agree. Then the next screen will show you what your voting power is. Then you click on Vote. Click on OK and wait for your wallet to validate the transaction. Enter your password, click on arrow back, and there you have it. Your vote is in. Then from there, you can scroll down to the bottom of the screen to check on the votes that were made. And there you would see the current results and the quorum. Thanks for watching.